Hi, sweet family. Welcome to Sweet Annie's Naturals. Today, once again, I'm going to have a super simple recipe for you. We are going to be making Sweet Annie's Floral Body Oil. And my cousin needed some body oil, and I also need body oil because around winter, the climate is getting colder and all that, and around winter, I normally would use body oil on my skin. So I don't think I have enough oils here, but whatever I have, I will make do with. So the herbs that I'm going to be using is just three flowers, because as I call it, a floral oil. And this is my calendula, and I love the smell of calendula. And the thing about calendula, what this would do is it promotes healing to the skin. So that's why I really wanted this in this oil, because if you have any blemishes, anything like that, the calendula is going to heal whatever. And then I am going to have my rose petals. And rose petals, for those of you that know about herbs, know how great the rose petals are for your skin as well, because that keeps your skin smooth, all that. Really and truthfully, sometimes I don't feel as though I take care of my skin enough to the quantity I need to. Then the next flower that I'm going to be using in my oil is butterfly pea. And the butterfly pea is also great for the skin. So I'm just basically going to be using these three oils, these three flowers in my oil. Now, I had some calendula in this before, and then I poured it in here. But what I am going to do with the calendula, so I'm going to turn around the camera, because what I'm going to do with the calendula, I just want the ends. I don't want the buds and all that. So I just want the actual flower part. Okay, family. What happened just now is I did not realize that it was not recording. So I'm just going to go through with you what I did here. And all I basically did was I add my flowers, which is the rose petals, a cup, the calendula, and the butterfly pea. I add my flowers to the bottle, and then I add my oils, which was some avocado oil, some sunflower oil, and some safflower flower oil. And I will probably top it up a little bit more when I get more oils, so that we can have enough oil. And this is my coconut oil. I didn't put any in it today because everybody can't use coconut oil. They're allergic to it. So I just put those three oils. You can put whatever oil you wanted. If you want to put your olive oil, whatever oil you want to put, you can put, because basically it is an infused oil. So I normally do is just layer the bottom of a pot, and then I put this in the pot with some water on low heat and let it stay and heat up. And when it is finished heating up, I leave it and I leave it for extra couple of days so that it can infuse a little bit more, and then I would have my oil. But basically that was all that I did, and I don't think that, you know, I need to show you me putting it on the stove and all that. But if you like this video, you could send me a comment and let me know what else you would want to see. But as far as this goes, this is our infused oil, body oil, and this is going to be great for skin around the winter time, because I always have to use oils on my skin around the winter time. So thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So once again, if I didn't say my name is Annie, and welcome to all of you newcomers, and welcome back to all of you that would have seen me before. So if there's anything that you wanted me to do, you can just let me know, and I will surely do it for you, because, you know, we all need to do something with our skin and our hair and all those things periodically. So have an awesome day, and remember, continue to spread the love and let your light shine. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. See you next time.